Hello traders, this is Cloud Chartist. I thought it would be helpful to make a little video about Tesla since Tesla is made a huge move yesterday off the news that Consumer Reports broke up with them or something such as this. They no longer think that Tesla is the best car ever. They think it's the worst car ever or some such drama. Regardless of that, there was also the news that Tesla, their associate program or whatever it's called, where a current Tesla owner can refer, I guess it's a referral program, can refer a new client and get $1,000 or something like this back from Tesla, was deemed illegal in California. So those two reports came out yesterday and basically tanked the stock. So let's look at what we have here from a technical analysis perspective. And this is, I'm going to start off with the weekly. Let me zoom in a little bit. So yesterday I posted this chart on Twitter as I saw a significant potential support being presented. It's not, this is a live chart, so it's not in the same place as it was when I posted this chart, but the Chikou, this red line here representing price action time shifted 26 periods into the past. Notice how it bounces at the cloud. Bounce here, came, went up, bounced here, went up, came down. This is reflecting, the price action over here. So it came down, found support at the Chikou, at the Kijun Sen. The pink line is the Kijun Sen. Found support at the Kijun Sen here, bounced a little higher, and then came down. And then yesterday, when that sell-off was occurring, it came down and tested the bottom of the cloud right here. It also had confluent support of the Tenkan Sen. As you see, the Tenkan Sen is crossing the cloud right here. So it really had double support at the bottom of the cloud here. So what does that mean for price? Well, the Chikou represents current price, right? So it's doing the same thing that current price is. It's just doing it over here, 26 periods into the past, so 26 weeks, prior in the chart. So this is the current weekly candle. So price came down and indeed did find support at approximately that level, and it found support at actually 202, so slightly below that level, but close enough in my book, because I can't even I sort of eyeballed that number off where visually I saw the bottom of the cloud. I didn't bother to look up the numbers on that. So after bouncing down there, Tesla continued to get bought up and ended up closing inside the weekly cloud. So on a weekly, from a weekly perspective, Tesla is now neutral. It was neutral before that sell-off. Then when it lost cloud support, it became bearish, but now it's back into the neutral zone. So as far as determining where it's going to go from here, we are going to have to look at some shorter time frame charts. So let's take a peek at the daily. I'm going to leave my drawings on there. You can deal. So the daily time frame, we find that price action is under the Tenkan Sen. So what that means is the Tenkan Sen is this blue line here coming down. The Tenkan Sen is at 224.42. So that level will act as resistance. So currently Tesla is down in the pre-market. It's at 210.41 at the moment. Of course, pre-market can vacillate all over the place, especially with illiquid stocks like Tesla. So 210.41. So that's actually below. That's down here. It's not showing up because this is the daily chart, and daily charts don't show pre-market activity. So if we do find some buyers today for Tesla and it goes up to the Tenkan Sen at 216.58, we can expect to see rejection there. Potentially, one might want to consider initiating a short trade there on the daily time frame. Yes, so let's go to some even shorter time frames. On the 4-hour chart, we see that Tesla is bearish. It had been moving up and tried to break into the cloud and did actually make it into the cloud before we got that news, and then sold off back out of the cloud. So it's actually kind of coincidental, if you believe in coincidences, that it happened to be rejected from the cloud when that news happened to come out in time for it to be rejected from the cloud. It's impossible to believe in coincidences at this point. Let's look at the hourly for myself. On the hourly time frame, this is the big sell-off here, and we did come up and we attempted to get over the Tenkan Sen and got rejected at the hourly Tenkan Sen at 215.26. We actually got rejected at the Kijun Sen above that at 216.58, a little bit above the Kijun Sen even. So bearish on the hourly time frame for Tesla, and the fact that the current hourly candle is underneath the Tenkan Sen is not good news either. Bearish. Let's look at 30-minute. 30-minute still bearish, rejected from the Tenkan Sen. And 15-minute. 15-minute, we saw the that's interesting. The 15-minute candle closed right on my line there. Let's see. Close. Wow, within a penny. That is fascinating. This hammer candle is what I'm talking about. So it made the low and then put in the close within a penny of my level that I happen to point out there. That's pretty weird. But good. So then we found a lot of buyers. You know, we found some significant buying in the afternoon, but then sort of petered off into the after-hour session, and then currently the after-hour session we came up to the cloud, and now we got rejected and we're under the cloud. So we're going to open up probably most likely under the cloud, and then we will need to get above the cloud in order to find higher prices. So that would be looking at, you know, forward to the day's trading, the intraday trading. We need to get over 215.78 to be back in the bull zone on the short-term time frame, the 15-minute time frame. And so that's about it. Good luck if you're trading Tesla. It is guaranteed to be volatile, I would suspect, but we shall see. And thanks for watching this video. If you're interested in learning more about Ichimoku, please visit my website at ichimokucharts.com. Starting actually over the weekend, I'm going to put up a $99 offer to join my chat room. It's normally priced higher than that, so it's for $99 a month if you want to get in and lock in that rate. You can check on my website on Sunday. I'm also mentioned that I'm going to be featured on FX Street on Monday morning. I'm not sure of the exact time, but I will post that on my Twitter feed. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a good day trading, and take care.